saw this flyer on the door and it said tropical ecology, and I was like, okay, that's pretty neat. So I went and talked to my advisor to see exactly what that was about. Like, was it just a class where I'm gonna sit inside all day learning about rainforest, or was this something more than that? And she started telling me that this was a course where you got to go to another country and experience actual tropical ecology, and just my mind was blown immediately. I was like, okay, I got to figure out how to get into this.
I've seen posters around campus, so I was curious, but I had no idea I could, outreach and get to do this amazing thing. I knew I wanted to do it instantly, but finding out it was that easy, I could just, sign here and you can go, I had no idea. And as soon as I found out, it was like not a question. I knew I had to go.
They don't have to be biology majors. We've had honor students go down and we've had non-majors go down. And that's a really unique part of the station, because there are so many different things to explore at the station beyond just biology.
There's something that's probably going to pique your interest even if you're not into animals all that much, because there's hot spots of these different groups of animals overlapping in this one area. So you got birds, you got amphibians, you got mammals. I mean, there's just so much there, not to mention even the plants. There's a mind-boggling amount of plants there.
The first time it was like, I was in awe of everything, because it's just so different and so amazing. And I got to see the Milky Way. It's like no light pollution whatsoever, and it was so crystal clear. You could see everything. It was like pinks and greens and blues and shooting stars like every 5 seconds, but also the species you get to see. Like, you watch National Geographic and you think, man, if I could see that, I feel like I could, die happy or whatever. But you go there and you see like 10 different things that you've seen on National Geographic.
Once we actually got to Wildsumaco, where the station is, that was a whole nother ball game. You get out and you see these giant trees everywhere with these unique birds that it's not like here where you see a mockingbird fly over. These are birds that you have no clue what they are, and it's just a whole new horizon that you get to go around and explore and learn so many new things.
The students that I've seen that have come back from the station are more engaged. They're more serious. They have more of a purpose, I see, in their studies.
I would say it's definitely life-changing. Like, my perspective on ecology, even coming back to here, somewhere that I've grown up with and is really familiar to me, I think that it changed the way I look at everything. That kind of bond you make on an adventure like that, and in a course where you are, living the book, I think it makes it root a little deeper.
What this can do is give people a new appreciation for what's out there. And I think that's a beautiful thing in itself, for students to go out here and see such a unique and biodiverse environment and have an appreciation for it when they go home. That's an awesome thing that this course provides for this area that otherwise we wouldn't have.